Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram profile picture in just a few easy steps. Changing your display picture is a great way to refresh your online presence and reflect your current style or mood. So let's start the video. To change Instagram DP, open Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Here tap on Edit Profile button. Under your profile picture, you will see Edit Picture or Avatar. Tap on it. You can either take a new photo right on the spot, choose from your camera roll, or import from Facebook. Pick the one that suits you best. We are going to tap on New Profile Picture, and then by selecting Picture from the gallery. After selecting your photo, tap on Next at the top right corner. Here you can adjust the picture by zooming in or zooming out, and you can also apply some filters. Now tap on Next in the bottom right corner, and your new display picture will be updated. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Instagram profile picture. Thanks for watching.